And here we have the Angry Bird tattoos, and I got different packs of them. Two of these ones, and two of these ones. Is that so cool? And I want to open these to show you what's inside. As you see, both of them are the same. Every time I got these, last time when the Angry Bird stickers come out, you just get plastic bags, so I want to open this one up. And which one I get? Ooh, I've been always wanting this one. I've been collecting this one since for a while. And the other side, here's the first one. See it? Yes. And then here we have is the pigs I've been always wanting. Let's go. And here's the butterfly ones. I didn't see these yet actually. So, ooh, that's good. I got this one. Awesome. And now we have this one. Left. And here. Ooh, my favorite one. Good. So that was our Angry Bird tattoo video, and we're going to have a science experiment to see which one is the best. Before I do my science experiment, I need a guest. So it's going to be my mom. Which one is the best? I'm going to just line it up.
I like this one the best.
Cool. So this is the winner. So bye. Make sure you subscribe for this winner. No, sister, no.